Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Title of the book is Golden Domes and Silver Lanterns, a Muslim book of colors by Hina Khan, illustrated by Meher Dokht Amini. Okay. This is the dome and this is the silver lantern. Some Arabic art is given here on these pages. Golden domes and silver lanterns. Red is the rug Dad kneels on to pray, facing toward Makkah 5 times a day. Blue is the hijab Mom likes to wear. It's a scarf she uses to cover her hair. This is the hijab, blue colored hijab. Gold is the dome of the mosque, big and grand. Beside it, 2 towering minarets stand. White is a kufi, round and flat. Grandpa wears this traditional hat. Black is the ink I used to draw the Arabic letters that spell Allah. Brown is a date, plump and sweet. During Ramadan, it's my favorite treat. Orange is the color of my henna designs. They cover my hands in leafy vines. Purple is an Eid gift just for me. I open it up and love what I see. Yellow is the box we fill on Eid with gifts of zakat for those in need. This is the box. She's putting some money in it. Green is the Quran I read with pride. Grandma explains the lessons inside. Silver is a fanus, a twinkling light, a shiny lantern that glows at night. This is the lantern. All of the colorful things we have seen make up the world of my faith, my deen. The end. See you next time with different book. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.